Una welcome to another ogbonge episode of our ogbonge show, One Question with Gigi. And na me, the Gigi. Today on this show, we go talk about another helele topic. But before we enter the topic of today, make una not forget to subscribe, make una not forget to follow, make una not forget to share, make una not forget to like. Now the topic of today, na the couples goal. Now the matter na we can talk about today because this matter I don't too worry my head. Every time we go dey see post for social media, different people, we go dey shout God when, God when, God when. Na the matter I come say make I look into with binoculars and Google, so I don come today. Make we put this matter for ground, make we table am. Wetin be couples goal? Couples goal na the thing wey be say man and woman wey say dem like themselves, the thing wey be say dem suppose dey do, wey dem go dey do, wey body go dey sweet dem, wey body go even dey sweet God on top, wey create dem say yes, na me create these two people, na me put dem together, na dem be true soulmates. Na be couples goal. But these days for social media, they dey carry the matter say dey confuse us. Dem go snap picture come, then we sef go dey shout God when. I come tell una today say couples goal no be only about studio picture, no be only about to dey put ice cream for each other mouth, no be im be couples goal. The real ogbonge couples goal dey plenty, but I go name few for una for here. So if you know say you no get all these things for inside your relationship, that couples goal, that your studio picture, go tear am. We no wan see am again. No use am take come dey do us jealousy for our eye. Wetin be couples goal? Number one, when door don lock, una two don enter house, una phone don die, maybe una no fit charge am, no battery again. How una take dey live for inside house? How una take dey see una sef? Una dey respect una sef? Una dey see each other as another individual wey una need to respect, wey una need to nurture, wey una need to take care of, wey una need to feed with positivity. Una dey see una sef like that? If una no dey see una sef like that, forget am o. That una still your picture, go tear am again. I know say you don first tear am the second time. That na number one. Then number two, how una take dey see people wey dey around una family members? If family members don become your own family members, abi your own family members don become your own family members, things wey dey important to you, e don dey important to your partner. Na all these things be couples. How una take dey respect each other opinion and each other spaces? How una take dey see each other? How una take dey see people wey dey around una? My purpose and your purpose don dey align. The things wey I like and the things wey you like, they don dey align. All this one suppose to be couples goal. Most importantly, una dey do things together. Like una dey think alike. All these ones be the real couples goal. So in case una no get am, make I recaption the real couples goal for una. Number one, una dey respect una sef. Number two, una dey respect each other opinion. Una dey respect each other spaces. Una dey appreciate each other, appreciate people wey dey around una, or appreciate each other opinion. All these ones na be the real couples goal. But social media don turn our head, dey turn studio picture to couples goal. So please, my people, be guided about the real couples goal. Make una no dey deceived about the fake couples goal wey dey go on about for everywhere. So one question today be say, for you, wetin be couples goal? You be believe say that studio picture wey dey snap na be couples goal? Just let us know your opinion. Let us know your mind. So my people, na the matter wey we carry come discuss today na be this. Until we meet again next time, abeg make all of una take care of una sef and make una dey cool lele for here. Una dey. Una bye.